How to transfer CapCut video from PC to phone. So if you want to transfer your CapCut video from your PC to your phone, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. And once you open, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. Again, click on settings. And under your settings, you will have manage spaces option. So you just need to simply go with manage spaces. But if you've not signed in, then you don't have that option. So you just need to simply go with sign in, and then you need to sign into your CapCut with either TikTok or QR code, or with your Facebook or with your Google. And once you've signed in, go with Open CapCut. And now if you go with settings, then you will have manage spaces. Click on it, and here you will have your space, right? And here you need to click on create space. And once you've created the space, you just need to simply click on create and invite members and copy the invitation link. Once you've copied, now you need to send that link to the others, so they will also be able to view your space. Now you can again go with the manage spaces so that it will fix the setting. And now you can save your videos to the space right here. And once you've saved your videos to the space, then you can open up your CapCut on your mobile, and your mobile also has an option of spaces, so you can just simply go with your space and you'll be able to have that video on your space in your mobile. That's how you can transfer CapCut videos from PC to mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.